Alright, so my second unlimited Arcane Rising display. It's gonna be open, and I wanna buy more of these, like the unlimited packs. It feels so nice that they are probably just not be accessible, like alpha is not accessible. It seems, in a way, it's nice to be in a revised era, that you actually feel okay opening products, because you don't wanna like play with investments like alpha is. So this is more like, let's get the cards, let's start playing, let's see what we actually can do with this game. Take aim, Ina's Prayer, and a foil Vigor Rush. Class cards, and let's see here. The glare is amazing. Whatever. Stuffs, commons. Okay, this is, I never really learn how to do this the best way, because I kind of change around, so I don't always kind of miss out on a good positioning. That's so nice when you don't have a studio, you have a kitchen table, so you get what you get. Commons, gloves, amplifier, stirred eddy winds, and a foil index. Amazing. Searing shot and stuff. And a cracked bubble. Let's see. Sunkiss, Charge, Moonwish, Push to Point, Crown of Dick, talk to me. I can never say it. I hate that word. And love the card. Pedal to the Metal. Nice. Become the Arc Knight. That's a nice special. I have one. So this is good. And a foil Aider Sync. That's a nice foil. Looks really good. 0 to 60 and stuff. And a cracked bubble. And I mean, this card deserves to be in nice sleeves, because they are cool cards. Love cool cards. Right, so that's a good pack when you get more than promised. Of course, makes sense. Commons, Robe of Rupture, Absorbing Eater, Arena's Prayer, and a foil Drawn to Darkness, the Dark Dimensions. Class card and a Visceray. Man, I really love Visceray. Maybe not, it's not tier 1, but it's not. What the fuck? This is bad. Come on, where my glare is at. It's intense glare today. I also have some cracks in my camera that also helps with the linings of light. So that's also a great setup. Braces of Belief, Reduce to Runechant, Life for Life Blue, and a foil Majestic Teclocore. That's nice. So a rainbow foil Majestic. Nice. That's always an extra value when you get cool cards, cool art, and in foil. Tip top, as you say in Swedish. You don't really, but who's gonna check that out? Okay, now. So it's a great start here. You have some specials and foils and majestics. Foils. Back alley, Lady Charge, Fate, Foresight, a nice lens. Take cover, and a foil Sonic Boom. Just a Sonic Boom, not foil, but a majestic. Fate Foreseen, and stuff. So nice, we are on a majestic run here, and that's my experience with Arcane Rising. And this is just speculation, of course. I got some box in my first openings that were super strong and one that was super weak. I don't know if there any science behind it at all, but it felt like it was either or. None of them were really like in the middle. There were a lot of majestics, or they were like below 4 majestics. That's where like my feeling so far. Amplifier, pour the mold, and a foil locked and loaded. So this looks like a strong start. Push the point, lead a charge, fate foreseen. the Northern Boots, Life for Life Yellow, Forked Lightning, Special, and a foil Take Aim. So yeah, this is a stronger display, I would say. Foils and specials and fun cards like that. And some of the Majestics as well. Alright, let's see. So almost done on the right side here of the display. And we have some gloves, Steel Aetherwinds, a Plunder Run, and a foil Aether Flare common. Class cards, Assyria. Right. Almost my 11th booster, so the one to go on the right side. Let's go here. Braces of Belief, Pour the Mold, Take Cover, and Fervent Forerunner. Okay, 2 of it. This is gonna be legendary. I am feeling it. Wow, such a booster. Top booster delivery. Enchanted Melody and a special. Chains of Eminence and a common contraband foil. Yeah, so nice with specials, because like as they are almost as rare as Majestic to get, they are like hard to find in bulk to get like in the collection going. Because so far I'm just I've been pulling boosters and cards. I haven't bought any singles yet, so this is not the best way of collecting decks, but it's just for me to getting the cards, I would guess, and like in bulk and mass and make okay decks, not the best decks. Silver the tip foil, so that's nice with some rare foils and with some specials. So right now we have specials, rare foils, foil rares, majestics, special, and rares. So yeah, specials, rares that are nice, and majestic. So we are okay, I would say, for a half a display, or more than okay, basically. Like how the spotlights really make them look shiny, or not. So lens, enchanted melody, nice, induction chamber, and a foil endless arrow. So this is a super display, I would say. So that's nice. That's always great when you get cards that you actually want and need. And this art in foil, come on. Doesn't really show, but it's a nice card. It looks really good. Reoccurring bolts and arrows, I would say it's great. So yeah, new video, nice.